This isn't just a scenic drive, no.
And I'm having lamb.
There's parts of this gorge that just drop off. Goats! Goats!
Well, Alan, KARL, WorldRider checking in again here. I'm on this dirt road and on the island of Crete here in my beloved Greece. And once again, I think I'm lost. Wandering around olive trees. Thank you for tuning into my channel, man. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that button. Don't forget to get notified. But meanwhile, I should be winding my way around a gorge heading into the mountains for a little taverna where I'm told I could eat the best roasted lamb on the entire island practically. But no, this doesn't look right. I'm gonna turn around and head back. I must have made a wrong turn. I mean, it's cool, I like this road, but you know, I've seen enough olive trees in the last week. I want to find a gorge and some roasted lamb. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Let's go on this ride and find that gorge. I'm out of here. Okay, I made it. Just arrived here in THERISO, a quaint village on Crete. It's a gem. There's just over 125 people or so live here, nestled in the stunning Lefka Mountains. The journey from Hania was nothing short of amazing. A ride through that THERISO gorge. But I'm going to park here, walk around town a little bit, and I'm going to show you this guy right here, Athelios Venizelos, if I said it right. More about him and the THERISO revolt later. Right now, I'm at the Madeiras Tavern, where I'm indulging in their slow roasted lamb. Love it. Place is amazing.
I'm probably 45 minutes outside of Hania, but it's a total other world. In the mountains, it's cool, it's sleeping. There's nobody around here. Oh, there's a doggy. And I'm having lamb. Delicious. An amazing ride today up through the THERISO Gorge. I think I've got that right. Narrow, twisty road goes up to these really small villages. I'm in a small taverna right now. And, you know, I'm told I don't normally like to eat a big lunch. I normally hardly ever eat a lunch. But here, you have to have the traditional, either the lamb that they roast, slow roast for like 6-8 hours. That you can't get till in the evening. This has been roasting in olive oil and herbs. They're giving me some potatoes here. Fresh squeezed orange juice. Turn around, back down, find a beach. This is what's going on today.
Let's get on this bad motorbike and ride. Got some beautiful scenery here. Coming it through this canyon. A couple things have happened that I didn't realize until today. And that is, one of my LED lights is out. The light bar got a little bent. And my headlight's out. And that had happened to me in Moldova. But I think this happened when the bike fell in Slovakia. They say the wind blew it over. I'm still not buying it. So we're going to take a cruise through this canyon, this gorge, and capture some footage and not worry about the bike. I got a week more in this, a little bit more than a week in this town, on this island. I got a little more time on the island, then I'll go back to Athens and I'll have Alex, George, Demetrios all take good care of me. Uh-oh. Okay, the glasses, of course. That's why I have to come up with a plan. Which that plan seems to work. I gotta put my phone in here. I'll do that in a minute. I don't necessarily need directions quite yet. It gets kind of narrow, and there's several bridges we go over here in this THERISO Gorge, which is this THERISO Gorge road, takes you up to that little village where I had the amazing lamb, slow roasted and cooked in olive oil and spices. And there's another one where they do it in a tomato kind of sauce, but they were out of that. They also they cook the lamb on the fire. There's like a circle fire around it, and they start with the fire small and slowly build it up till it gets hotter and hotter. And they can just tell just right when it's cooked to perfection with all the experience these guys have. Okay, there's the sign for THERISO Gorge.
As we wind our way through this lush greenery and these towering cliffs of the THERISO Gorge, I want to remind you that there is more to this place than just this natural beauty. Yeah, over a century ago, this peaceful gorge was the scene of a rebellion and a show of determination of the Cretan people. Yeah, right here in THERISO Gorge, Cretan freedom fighters hid out. They were led by Eleftherios Venizelos. You saw the statue of him back in the village. They are hanging out, hiding in the village and in this gorge long before this road was there. And they gathered together to fight against the Ottomans for their freedom and for their dream to be united with Greece. So as we ride, let's not forget the courage and resilience of those who walked and fought on these paths before us. This isn't just a scenic drive. No, it's a journey through time and a testament to the spirit of freedom and the determination of the Cretan people.
We're in the shade a little bit, but part of the gorge is still open light, so I don't know whether this is... That's a stunning color, orange. Copper. Or goats. Hey guys! Hi guys! One guy had a bell. Sheer face that we'll come up to in a minute. Now we're back with some of that nice lighting. That sheer face that I went by on the way up into this village. Was truly dominating. turnoff. I think we're still going to go through the gorge. I want to go through the gorge to capture it. There's another way back to Hania, but this is what we're doing. There's a river here, but it looks dried up. It's guys pulled over up there. What are they doing? There's parts of this gorge that just drop off. Goats! Goats! I gotta love my goats in the gorge! Twists and turns through the THERISO gorge. While you're riding, you get the dappled light of the late afternoon. Isn't there like a little place right here? Pull over. Hey, goat! Hey! What are you doing? Hey, I see the light. Now, there's still going to be all this sheer drop-offs up here. The road's really narrow. Well, there you have that. The gorge. We still have this winding around the river. These don't look like olive trees. Avocado? Maybe avocado? I was at a restaurant last night, and they came up to me and handed me the menu, and it was later, and told me certain things that they were out of, and one of them was guacamole. Guacamole, goats, gorges, and Greece. You don't think of guacamole when you think of Greece, but it's Hania. It's Old Town. You know, you got to mix it up a bit, I guess, for the tourists. A lot of tourists in Hania this week. Good. We come back into our dappled light. Yeah, that's a great ride. Now we come through a tiny little village. These cars parked, but not a sign of any people. I think I'll just pull off here and get my phone connected. Maybe we'll shut these things down.
Okay, I'm going to wind down things here, turn off these cameras. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed THERISO, the little bit of history, the roasted lamb, and of course that gorgeous ride through the gorge. Make sure you're subscribed and tune into all my episodes here from Greece. Thank you again.